Good morning, London. Good morning, the world. Sending you a warm e-hug this morning to give you some encouragement, and really wanting to offer today just some very, very quick tips on how to manage rising anxiety, on how to take some regular pauses to just put the brakes on what can happen in the brain when agitation, when cortisol, when adrenaline is running through. And it seems that there's many, many things to do, but it's not clear what we should do. And there's a little bit of lack of guidance there. So I'm really recommending to people this idea of little and often micro pauses. So this might be pausing before you reach for something, for example. This is a great practice for training your brain's braking system. Your brain's braking system, the right ventrolateral prefrontal cortex. This is the thing that you train when you're about to grab something and then you stop. You're about to do something and then you stop. You're about to say something and then you stop. Yeah? So if we can do this, there's some real benefits for right now, because one of the things we're being asked to do is monitor where our hands are going. Yeah, this is reaching for phones, reaching for cups, touching things maybe that somebody in the house who's elderly or immunosuppressed might touch. So it's really, really, really vital that we come into tune with our body and we're able to see what we're doing with our hands. So the practice for today is really that. Stop and pause and notice and train your brain and train your mindfulness and get present in the body next time you're reaching for something. So if you're about to reach to press stop on this video, you can do that mindfully and train your brain's braking system. If you're about to reach for a door handle, but then maybe choose perhaps to wrap your hand around something to not touch it, that's another option. If you're about to put your hands on your face, notice what you're about to do there. And my lovely Brazilian crew, you're really going to be getting some training into how to be British now. Yeah, so when you're going in for those hugs and kisses, I want you to activate your frontal lobe, activate your right ventrolateral prefrontal cortex, and practice pausing. Yeah, this isn't that you're being mean to others or you're not making contact. You're just saying, right now, I'm here and I'm training my brain in order that we can all be safer in the future. So I'm sending you love, and we'll be online over the next weeks, providing some support. Get into the green. Tony Langford, Mary Louise Morris. We've got Raquel in Brazil, bringing some others online too, Maya and Anthony, when they're ready to offer support to people. Because at the Mindfulness Center of Excellence, we know how to be mindful in the reds, in the crisis. This is our work for the last 10 years. So keep in touch and check out the Facebook page, Mindfulness Center of Excellence, and www.mindfulnesscenterofexcellence.com. Ciao, ciao.